Odessa has tried to explain to them over and over again. She's not capable of providing a snack. The wind?
Oh, it's the wind up there.
Yeah. Kind of a windy afternoon, as you can't tell. But they like torturing her. She's good with puppies. They're fun. They have lots of fun. Yay, everybody! Climb on top of her! That's perfect! Yay, get her!
Look at this, Kristen. There's a lot of dust coming.
They've all piled on top of poor Odessa. Hi. Was that fun? Just climb on her. Yeah. Gotta do it. You just gotta climb on her. Get her, Brutus! Get her!
Michael.
Michael's getting her.